Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or set price alerts on Trust Wallet using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to get notified when there is a significant price change in the crypto market, then the best thing to do is to set price alerts on your Trust Wallet. To do that, tap open your Trust Wallet app from the app drawer. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, you'll be able to see an option that says price alert. Give it a tap and make sure that the button right next to price alert is toggled on and it is turned green. Soon after you enable the settings, you'll be able to get alerts for a significant price change of your favorite cryptocurrencies on your Trust Wallet. If you want to add more cryptocurrencies you want to receive price alerts from, tap on the plus button in the top right hand corner and choose the asset that you would like to receive alerts for. To remove a specific asset, simply press and drag towards the left hand side of the screen and you'll be able to delete by tapping on delete just like that. That way, you'll be able to enable price alerts for a significant asset. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.